You're behind the wheel, cruising through the vibrant streets of a bustling city at night. The glow of neon lights reflects off the sleek, muscular body of a car that's turning heads at every corner. This isn't just any car, it's the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible, a ride that takes the legendary spirit of the Chevelle and infuses it with modern-day innovation, creating a driving experience like no other. Get ready to discover how this iconic machine is redefining what it means to drive in style. Let's start at the front, where the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible makes its first impression. This car is a masterpiece of design with a wide, aggressive stance that commands respect. The prominent grille with its modern LED technology harks back to the iconic Chevelle split bar design, making it unmistakably Chevelle. Flanking the grille, dual headlights sit within a contoured hood that hints at the raw power waiting to be unleashed, and that muscular front bumper. It's not just for show, it enhances the car's aerodynamics, giving it a formidable presence on the road. As we move to the side, the design continues to captivate. The elongated, low-slung body is a perfect nod to the classic muscle cars of the past, but with a twist that's undeniably modern. The flared wheel arches house those eye-catching multi-spoke alloy wheels, adding to the car's aggressive look. The smooth, flowing lines that stretch from the front to the rear create a sense of movement, even when the car is parked. And when the convertible roof is down, the Chevelle transforms into the perfect companion for those sunny, open-road adventures. At the rear, the Chevelle Convertible delivers just as much punch as the front. The bold taillights, with their triple bar design, pay tribute to the original 1970s model, but bring it into the future with a sleek LED finish. The rear bumper is robust, featuring dual exhaust outlets that are both visually striking and functionally efficient, hinting at the power under the hood. A subtle rear spoiler adds to the car's aerodynamic profile, completing a design that's both stylish and functional. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevelle Convertible is packing serious heat. A 6.2-liter V8 engine that roars to life with a touch of the pedal. This beast delivers an exhilarating amount of horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. Every drive becomes an adrenaline-pumping experience with a suspension system that offers the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising or pushing it through corners, the Chevelle handles it all with precision. Step inside, and the luxury is undeniable. The interior is a blend of classic muscle car vibes with cutting-edge technology. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching that mirrors the car's exterior provide the ultimate in comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that offers everything you need, from navigation to an incredible sound system. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, giving you all the vital information at a glance. And with ambient lighting throughout the cabin, every drive feels special, no matter the time of day. Now let's talk about what you're getting for all this innovation and style. The starting price for the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible is expected to be over $150,000. Yes, it's a hefty price tag, but when you consider the craftsmanship, the performance, and the individuality of this specialty muscle car, it's worth every penny. The base model alone is packed with features and enough power to satisfy any car enthusiast. The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible isn't just a car, it's a statement, a perfect blend of the past and the future, delivering a driving experience that's both thrilling and luxurious. Whether you're a fan of classic muscle cars or cutting-edge technology, this Chevelle has something for everyone. So, Are you ready to take the wheel? If you loved this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.